Hi, this is Lester, and I just want to show you how to use this AM to PM calculator found in timesheetcalc.xyz. The main purpose of this calculator is just to quickly determine how many hours are there between the morning and the afternoon hours, and vice versa, because you can change that. So, for example, you want to determine how many hours are there in between 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., right? If you are in a conference and you just want to quickly determine how many hours it would take to attend that conference or an event, like so, you can just put it in here and calculate. Um, it's quite easy to count off manually, right? If the hour is whole number, like from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., that would be easy. 7, 8, 9. So that's about 2 hours. But what if it involves like 7, 7:31 to 9:54, something like that. So you this calculator is very helpful, so that you can quickly determine the time difference between those two. Like we'll try it, like 7, like 31 to 9:54. Um, it would take no, it's 7 p.m. It would take 2 hours and 23 minutes. So this is where the calculator is really helpful if there are these minutes that you can't determine quickly. So that is pretty much how to use the calculator. You just need to input here the starting time and the ending time. That's pretty much it. Thank you.